Hello, this is Sean with Mr. Dryout. We're here in a home in Seminole. I'm going to take a quick walk around. We had a supply line for the toilet leak in one of the bedrooms. You can see that it's affected a little bit of this room here. These vanity, I'm going to take the kick plates out in the closet here, all through the hallway. Seems to be a golf room. Man, hard at work over here. A very big golf trophy area. Small closet over here. We have a second room here. You can see the water. Big bookcase. This room's all affected. Baseboards, carpets. We have another small closet. We have a laundry room. Baseboards. Now walking, another bathroom here. You can see, here's the front entryway.